In this session, we will be producing a simple isometric projection. To make it easy, I've already lined this out using construction lines and a fine pencil, which is difficult to see on the camera. However, I'm going to follow those lines with a darker pen. In reality, you would use a drawing pencil or a drawing pen. But to start with, I generally put a baseline on. So we'll move up our parallel action until we find the correct place, which is here. We draw our first line. Now that would normally be a construction line, which is a fine line that you would not normally line out when the drawing was finished. The next thing I do, using our 30/60 square, which is this one, we're going to put in our verticals. So I've already marked where I want them to come. If you were drawing this to scale, you would mark them on with your construction lines and measure them to scale. Slide up there a little bit. I'm going to draw that line in. I'm going to draw this line in, which again I'm working to the drawings I've already put here. We'll put this line in. We've got another vertical in this corner. Put that in. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our angle lines. Now our angles this time are going to be at 30 degrees. When we work this way, I can have my square like that because I've got a nice edge to draw against. So we'll put these in like that. Like that. We'll move up and get the ones towards the top. Now we've got our angles going to the right. Now we need our angles going to the left. But to maintain a nice drawing edge, if I put this way, if I put it that way, I don't have a very nice drawing edge and it wants to slide up onto the actual parallel action. If I turn it over this way, I get a nice drawing edge. But we still have the same angle. So I'm going to move it up to my line. I put in our first one. Second angle, and so on until we finish. And there we have our basic isometric projection. To finish this off, all I would do now is go through with a rubber and rub out our construction lines. It is worth noting that with a thick pencil, you can get small projections in this kind of area, where you've just gone past the line a tiny bit. When you're doing your real drawings using a fine pencil, you aim to have absolutely no going past the line. You need to be absolutely spot on. But that's how to draw a simple isometric projection.